magandang
Hello.
gabi.
Yes.
Magandang gabi po and welcome po to.
Coys and Ponds Farm Las Piñas.
And today is
Araw ng Kagitinan, April 9. Is we honor, we commemorate the heroism of our fellow Filipinos during the 1942 fall of Bataan in Corregidor.
grabe, may ano,
Celebrate.
may historical ano pa.
Yes, so many. And also, April 9 is very special because it's the birthday of my baby brother, Kenneth.
Happy birthday, Kenneth.
Happy
birthday and
birthday.
it's a holiday today.
Yes, that's why.
So, ang
We've
luwag
been
ng
very
traffic.
busy the whole day.
Akala ko maluwag ngayon, dami yan. So, then
And-
thank you so much for doon po sa mga dumating kanina.
Yes, but we're also commemorating
Mm.
the octave of Easter. That's the most special.
Ano ba yung
of all.
octave? Like
Yeah, because like,
8 days?
yes, octave means 8 days, like
After-
the notes. It starts in Easter Sunday and ends in the Feast of the Sacred Heart after 8 days. So, because like the church decided that Easter, the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ is so special, you don't celebrate it for just one day. You celebrate it for 8 days. So
8
until
days.
now,
Kaya octave.
yeah, kaya octave. So until now, we're still celebrating Easter. Happy Easter
Happy
to
Easter.
all!
And talking about Easter, we spent our so meaningful tong Holy Week na to.
Yes, very much.
Spent
Mac is here.
pabasa with the Gonzalez Hernandez family.
Yes.
At hi to all our relatives.
Hi!
Nag-iingay yung mga dogs natin. At nung Good Friday, procession sa Parañaque.
Yes.
And then right after Saturday, we flew to Calibo to
celebrate
spend
Easter.
naman yung family day with your family.
Yes, our side naman. It was very busy.
So meaningful and
And
kasama natin si Mac.
Kasama pa
si
si
Mac,
Mac. Yes. And I told my relatives, the Mijares family in Calibo.
And thank you so much, Mac, for my brother Mac for
Yeah.
spending his Holy Week here.
Yes, made it more special because Mac was here. Okay.
Like, yun. So,
So
on with the vlog. Yes. So, nag-vlog po kami ngayon because we are getting many messages, phone calls, and salamat po sa mga nakausap namin over the phone. Like, as always, we would like you to call us up and we would like to share koi thoughts with you kung ano pong problema ng inyong koi pond. Kasi naman, Gles, ay erratic na yung weather.
Very much. It's either hot or hotter, actually. That's how I feel.
It's getting warmer.
Yeah.
That's my phone. Let me just get this first.
His phone hasn't stopped ringing.
Yeah. Okay, so chinek na natin yung phone. Anyway, ito po yung parasite flush. This is one of the medication that we normally use,
Yes.
periodically use. But of course, first and foremost, we make the water quality at optimum.
With the nitrobacta, of course.
Okay.
You put it in the filter.
Long story short, zero ammonia, zero NO2,
Yes.
NO3 at very low level,
Yes.
pH within 7.0 to 7.7 or 7.8. Pag nakuha na po natin yon, the thing that you want to pay attention to, yung pong hindi
Fluctuate.
nag-fluctuate
Ang
yung temperature.
Yeah. Just now it's like it's a problem really. Because it gets cooler at night, so the temperature gets high during the day and then it gets cooler at night, and then you explained it before, like 1 degree is like 4 degrees difference, right?
In the case of the ponds ko na tinatamaan ng araw, doon po nagpa-fluctuate yung temperature. But yung pong pond namin dito, like for example, yung dalawang dulong pond doon, Glass, yung 61, which is, ito yung pinakamalaking pond natin, yung 62.
Yes.
Ang major cause ng temperature fluctuation, dahil the pond is above ground, kinatamaan po ng araw
Sa side.
yung wall sa likod.
Yeah.
So pag mainit po yung wall, nagko-conduct po sa
water.
tubig, kaya umiinit, lumalamig po yung tubig. And we are rectifying it. We're putting some net there para po yung conduction ng heat.
Yeah. So
Hindi.
it's just being aware and like observing your koi and then checking all the time because of the fluctuation of the temperature.
So once again, this is the parasite flush. It arrests Chilodonella, Trichodina, odium, even fungus, white spot, marami pong tinatanggal. This is
500.
500 ml,
mLs, yeah.
and 15 ml is good for 1 ton of water.
Yeah.
Okay? And that the thing that you want to pay attention to is dapat po yung salt is very low.
Yeah.
Or to be exact, 0.07 or kahit siguro 0.1. 0.1 yung salt pwede
before
niyong
it
gamitin
cooks,
po
yeah.
to. Shake it
That's-
very well and then in advance, pag nakita po ninyo na you detect some parasite under the microscope or kung wala po kayong microscope, anyway, this is inexpensive. This could treat 33 tons, this whole bottle. Lagyan nyo na po yung pan niyo. And remember, every time you put nitrobacta or you put parasite flush, pakipatay lang po muna yung UV light
Yeah.
for at least 24 to 48 hours.
Yes, and don't feed your koi a day before you
Mhm.
you put the parasite. Any
Parasite.
medication
Mhm.
actually. Just you have to what they call this
Fast them.
pass
the
for
koi.
a whole day.
That's the koi. Okay,
Yeah.
so
So also we have the
Revive,
the zeolite.
Zeolite.
This one we put in the water.
mm,
That will
pero i-demo natin yan doon.
yeah, the
guys.
demo. So
Okay.
and also our koi food.
Thank you for
Thank
availing.
you.
Kanina
Thank you
yung
so much.
kumuha ng koi sa atin, that beautiful kikusui. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Chester, for availing that.
Yeah.
And thank you so much
And
also for
chancho,
availing
those
all these
chancho.
medications.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we'll demonstrate how it's done.
Okay, punta tayo dun.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
go.
Si Mean and this Julian, ang ating camera crew.
Okay, we're almost there.
So in this pond, this is pond number 31.
Hmm.
So nandito si Tonet. Okay.
Yes.
So right here, Glass. Okay. So this is the biofilter. Binuksan na po namin. Sige, Tonet, wag mo. Tubig. So we will show you pag-apply po ng nitrobacta.
Yeah, you get
what-
water from the pond.
Mm.
Yeah.
From the pond, nitrobacta. So we feel like we want to be generous, really improving the quality. Tatlo lang muna, Tonet. Yan. And then the reason behind, pakita natin, Tonet. Hinahalo po natin sa timba na ganyan ay for the nitrobacta to be thoroughly mixed in the water. And then from this, ibubuhos niya po to ng mataas para pumasok po sa loob all those dissolved particles. Papasok po to sa loob ng biomats. And one more time, nakita niyo po yung mga particles of nitrobacta there. Papasok na po sa loob. Nitrobacta will arrest yung this is good bacteria. It will 3 more, 2 more. Yan. So this good bacteria will augment yung quality ng water to become better.
Yeah.
No? Kasi Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, and all those beneficial bacteria are freeze dry in this. This is US made po at pag nag-adhere na siya dun sa mga surface area ng biomat, doon na po siya magmumultiply. At lahat po ng dadaan na water with ammonia ay may co-convert niya to NO2 to NO3, and this improves yung water quality.
Yes.
Ergo, the koi becomes healthy.
In other words, the nitrification cycle will really be more effective.
Okay. So that's nitrobacta for you. Ayun, eto Chess, tsaka si Alvin, thank you so much. No?
Thank you.
Dinemo uli natin dito. And this is Revive. This is Revive. This is Montmorillonite and bentonite. This is natural minerals
for you.
that I got it, Les.
Okay.
This natural mineral that you want to broadcast directly. This pond, ito nakasulat dito. The pond size is 15.048 tons. And then yung filter na is 4.8356 tons. Total po nito is 19.883 tons. 19,883 liters. We are really precise with the measurements that we have here. Kasi sinukat po namin to. Hindi lang po theoretical, pati actual. Pinadaan po namin sa metro to. Kaya alam po namin yung exact volume ng pond. Kaya pag nagme-medicate kami, ito naman po, walang overdose ng Revive. Pag
See,
nagme-medicate po kami ng
yeah.
organophosphate, ng, ng Demilin, Masuten, ng Tomigay, Tomigay tablets, yung chlorine dioxide, we are confident na hindi po kami makaka-overdose dahil lahat po ng 19 ponds dito sa taas and all the rest of the 27 ponds po dito sa Quezon ponds, alam po namin yung measurement. Kaya, and we advise that you do the same protocol para, kasi may mga tumatawag sa atin dito, Glass, na
Yeah.
meron kaming problema sa anchorworm or fish lice. So, if you tell us that your pond is 19 tons, we are assuming na inestimate lang po yun. So, this is 19,000, para eksakto, 19,883 liters. So, if we round it, 19.8 tons po to paglalagyan natin ng Demilin. And when we arrest parasites such as yung visible, such as anchorworm and fish lice, leeches, wala naman po. When we want to address them with Demilin, not only with Demilin, but also with Masuten.
Yeah.
So tawagan po ninyo kami dito. Our number is,
0917-438-7230.
should you want us to walk you through with on the application of Masuten, Demilin, Praziquantel for flukes.
Yeah.
Kaya po kami nagma-microscope para
Yeah.
siguro din kung may flukes nga or
Yeah.
wala, o kung anong klase, Trichodina, Chilodonella.
But exactly, because we like to have the right medication for the right parasite. Importante yun. Otherwise, it won't work.
At yung super tab, yung chlorine dioxide,
Yeah.
ay to lower down the bad bacterial content.
Yeah.
Kasi selective po siya. At meron din tayo dito yung, ano ba yun, ano yun, yung nasa fridge. Ano nga yun? May ano nga yun, kalimutan ko na yung
Yeah.
ginagamit natin para sa ano, sa fridge, yung nasa fridge, yung poison. That's right.
Poison, yeah.
Ito senior moment.
Yeah, I'm still getting
Okay. So, before we close, we'd like to show you some fish. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Kanginang umaga at ngayon kaalis lang. Thank you so much, Chester, for availing the fish. At kanina may kumuha ng 15 koi.
We're so
Thank you so much, Alvin. We really
thank
appreciate
you
it. So we're sending it in a while. So, pero sasend natin sa kanya itong video na to. Alright, so we'll go there.
Yeah, come
Okay.
on, let's
So,
go.
once again, ito po yung revive na ito po mamaya ikakalat namin to sa lahat ng ponds. If you notice, dito Glass, ano, lahat ng ponds natin dito sa kaliwa, these are all empty
Yeah.
because we're now waiting for the new shipment to come in.
Yes, it's coming in.
All these ponds here on the left, including this one,
And this
are all
one,
empty.
show it naman.
Okay? So,
So,
thank you so much
Thank you so much.
for availing our koi. No? And in this okay. Ito, thank you, Luigi. Ganun,
yeah,
pinatay
just
niya
like
na yung ano.
nakapack na itong
Okay.
apat.
Th-
with the
This
Shirutsuri.
fund, kagagaling lang nito sa medication din, kaya medyo maano pa yung tubig.
Yeah.
And makita nyo may bubbles pa, hindi, kakakabit lang nung tawag ng skimmer. But after every medication, we put a generous amount of Revive dito para po sa kanilang skin. Yan, no?
Yeah.
Nakikita nyo
And
yung koi.
it's really good to put it at night
no?
kasi
At
it
night.
will cloud the water but it will clear up in the morning when you wake up.
They like it, oh. Tingnan mo.
Yeah, they go in
Naglalaro
there.
sila sa
Yeah.
sa Revive.
Yeah.
Ayan, no?
It really improves water quality.
No. So what this actually do is binabind niya yung binabind nagkakaroon ng adhesion
Yeah.
dun sa mga floating suspended solids,
Yeah.
yung mga fish poop.
So it goes down and then the bottom drain should wash it out, right?
And in the morning, once they open the filter, makikita nila yung mga fish poop dikit-dikit.
Yeah.
And these are the 10 koi na hindi pa naka-impake.
Yeah,
We'll
they're in the
pa-
process.
To,
We interrupted them for this.
Binabalot na nila. Lagyan
Yeah.
mo muna ng ito, pakita natin sample. Teka.
Ayahuasca
Ito, ayahuasca ba? Oh, from
Is that Marusaka?
Marusaka, yes.
Yeah.
So, Marusaka, ayahuasca ba? And then ito mixture of tani Ito, I'm sure this is Tani. Uh, ito mga
Yutsuri.
showa na to from Isa. Okay.
Yeah. From Isa.
And this guys already packed. No? So
Yeah.
thank you so much for availing all this beautiful 15 koi. Uh, ship natin mamaya through hindi na nagkasya sa sasakyan
Yeah.
ipapagrab na lang
Yeah,
natin.
that's
Lalamove.
right. Lalamove.
And kanginang umaga yung beautiful Kikusui. Thank you so much, Chester. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Alvin.
much,
Mm.
Chester and Alvin.
It's really a blessing after this Lent. No?
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you. Is there anything else you want to
Ayan,
say?
yun muna. So, make your water at optimum condition. Ammonia, NO2, NO3, as much possible, zero.
Yeah.
Don't let that fluctuation of temperature or hindi mo naman makokontrol yun, ano?
Well, you could just put a shade on
Shade.
it. It would be better just to protect your core. It's just hot and hotter
And
nowadays.
the first line of defense, pag nakita nyo pong nagpa-fluctuate yung temperature,
Yes.
first line of defense is salt. But before you apply salt, tignan nyo po muna kung unahin na, lagyan na ng parasite flush.
Yeah.
Kung wala naman kayong microscope,
But before the salt, like you have to, before the parasite flush,
mhm,
have to check the salinity of your water. It has to be,
less than 0.07 or less than 0.1.
yeah.
Ang,
So those are the precautions. Like any medication,
mhm.
has
So, iniikot po
precautions.
namin yan
Yeah.
sa Praziquantel,
Mm.
sa Pembendazole,
Yes.
like what we said in our previous vlog, tatlo yung medicines na ginagamit natin ngayon sa flukes. No?
Yeah, sa
At
flukes.
eto marami sa
Because they're
parasite.
quite deadly, actually.
Mhm.
You don't want them.
Yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na kaya nagpa-fluctuate yung temperature dito because of that wall. And we
It's
are,
direct to the sun.
ito pong kinatatayo namin dito. We are 2 meters above the NGL, no?
Yeah.
The natural grade line sa karsada, no?
Oh.
We're 2 meters. Kaya yung buong wall po na to, pag tinamaan ng araw, umiinit at anong ganyan. I know we should have put some insulation there, but
Yeah.
we did
you
not.
know.
So we're planning to put some net outside or probably some kawayan or
Yeah.
shade para hindi po naiinitan yung buong
So we need to do it
perimeter.
soon because it's really hot. And if, I've been reading, the El Nino is like a super El Nino.
Mhm.
It's even gonna be hotter till next year, 2027 actually. So hopefully not. But
At pag napapalit po kayo ng water, it's kami dito, for example, this is ilan ba 'yon? Tanso tika. Ito naman ay 20.
20.
20.283, 20 tons, 0.2 of water. Pag nagtapon po sila dito ng 2 tons of water out, so they replenish it with aged water, treated water too. So yung 2 tons of water na yon ay tinitreat din natin, although treated na siya, paglagay dito, nilalagyan naman natin siya ng Chloromex.
Yeah.
Chloromex is a US product na ginagamit ng maraming koi enthusiasts in the States, most especially before a koi show.
Yeah.
So they fill it up the tank with new water.
Yeah.
They put the Chloromex
Yeah.
and then they put 0.3% of salt, and that instantly that water becomes koi show ready. And this is what also we use the Chloromex.
That's what you do during a koi show.
Every koi show po dito, we don't skip on using this beautiful, effective product, Chloromex. Not only it removes ammonia, chloramines, and all those nasty
Things.
things there in the water.
So it
It
improves
neutralizes.
water quality. Good enough to keep your koi looking their best during a koi show.
Ayun, so we're gonna let you go, friends. We need to pack this. And
Yeah.
once again, thank you so much, Kangina.
Thank
Umaga,
you.
Chester, and thank you
Thank
here,
you so
Alvin. I
We're
hope
very grateful.
really grateful. Okay, this is a
Thank
blessing.
you, Lord, too.
Mhm. Uh, I I hope you find joy taking care of these fish as much as we did finding them in the many
Yeah.
farms in Japan.
Yeah, and I know they love koi very much, so I'm happy about that.
Mhm.
Because they really honestly love the koi,
And maalagaan sila.
and they will be taken care of. Yeah.
And thank you for availing of KNP and Tommy Guy.
Yes.
Okay. And hi to Mickey and Devin.
Hi,
Okay,
my
friends.
Tom, Dominic, Michi, and
Si
Gaita.
our ano, Tom, Dominic, Michi, and Gaita. And Dominic will be celebrating his birthday ata this weekend.
Yeah.
Okay.
in-
So happy birthday, Dominic.
in-
Belated happy birthday.
Yes, in
Our-
Upland.
our apo.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
And,
Happy birthday,
mm,
Dominic.
And hi to our two shippers, Demicoy and Tani Fish Farm.
Yes.
Wow, and we're really so blessed. We're so happy. We're so grateful to the Lord that, Kois and Pans now is being assisted not only by Tani Fish Farm, but of course,
Also
Demicoy. And then nakita nyo po yung mga videos namin. We move around Japan. And other than buying fish, check out our YouTube channel. It's gonna be here. We will flash it. Our YouTube channel, marami po kaming interviews na ginawa doon.
Yeah, I posted it in Facebook, but I couldn't put a lot of the videos that we do there, so we could do it in YouTube.
Mm.
And then it's easier to find. So Kois and Ponds channel.
Okay,
All right.
that's it.
Thank you
So thank you so much, and
Happy Easter again to all.
happy Octave.
Octave of
Octave
Easter.
Okay. Enjoy the summer, friends. Okay. Again, call us up. Should you need help? No, we're more than willing, and we're happy to speak with you over the phone. Wag na pong mag-email or
Yeah.
mag-message.
You're too old school.
Oo, kasi mas mabilis po for us
Yeah.
than talking with you than typing.
Yeah. So we could just ask the questions that needed to be asked right away.
Okay. All right. So bye-bye for now.
Bye.
See you in the next vlog. Maraming salamat po for
Maraming salamat.
staying this long and watching all our vlogs. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.